Good morning, guys. Good morning. Excuse me. So I'm trying to eat some breakfast real quick. I came in today and there was no coffee. None. So I went to go make coffee. There's no coffee at all in the building. Well, maybe it's in the building, but it's stored somewhere. But in the break room, they used to have extra boxes, extra cases. There's no coffee. All there is filters and sugar and sweeteners and everything else, creamer. But there's no coffee. So I couldn't make coffee. There's probably some on the other side of the building. We have like 2 break rooms, so. But on this side, there was no coffee, and I don't have time to go over to try to get packs and make coffee. It takes a while for that coffee maker to brew the coffee anyway. So I don't have any coffee today, which kind of sucks. But anyway, let's take a look at AMC. We hit that price target that I kept saying that we were going to go to yesterday. I did say we were going to go down to around the 598, and I think we hit like we went over to, at one point we hit 594. Yep. So we hit that price target. Look at this. This was a nice run here, and it came back down. I think this is going to happen again, but it's probably going to be a little bit bigger run than what we've seen, because you see that like these runs here, then it dips down and run up, dip down, higher run, dip low, higher run. I think we're going to have a big run. I don't know when. I've always predicted April, sometime in April, that there may possibly be a run because of what I've looked at. So we're going to see. We're going to see if I was right. I've been saying this for like the last 2 years, that April is going to be the, if it was to squeeze in what I looked at, I feel like it's going to be in April. Okay, so we're going to see. We're going to see. But right now, you see all these wild movements. You see this big run up to 617, and then it sold off again down to its previous closing price from yesterday. But let's go ahead and look at the SPY and TQs. Where are we? Okay, TQ. So it's up 0.50. It's up 0.50%, but it's trying to pull back. It was up higher than that. It was up to like what, 140. That's a lot, and it's pulling back. I don't know why it's pulling back, but it's pulling back towards the closing from yesterday. So is this Q is 0.16%. It's trying to pull back, and the SPY is trying to pull back 0.22. I mean, we're above what we closed at from the low yesterday, which is pretty good. But the thing is, are we going to keep coming down, or are we going to keep going up? So we just got to keep an eye on it. It looks like, I mean, things look like it's trying to push down from, of course, I mean, you have to understand that as low as things went yesterday, you should already know, like in the morning when you wake up, everything's going to be above the closing price from what it did yesterday. And because the way it ran in the after hours, some things went up, but you can already expect that. But today is going to be a key day because it's Friday. You know, things move slow on Friday, and we just have to, all we can do at this moment is just wait, okay? There's a lot of things going on with AMC, a lot of things going on, not with just AMC, there's a lot of things going on with a lot of stocks, okay? And more people are more focused on AMC because they feel like it's been manipulated. They feel like, they're against the CEO of AMC. They feel like he's not running it correctly. And, people have their reasons why they feel that way. Some strongly feel like they don't like him because, for one, they know the market's manipulated. They know that stocks are manipulated. And they don't feel like Adam Aron is helping them make any money. So that's why, like for me, I'm trying to learn how to make money as things going down. So when a company's not doing well, you can still make money on a company that's not doing well by it going down. You just got to know how to trade that way, okay? But some people don't like them because some people actually got into AMC because they know it's a squeeze play and they put a lot of money in, and now their money is dwindling. They're mad. They're mad because they're not. They waited on this dream to come true, and it's not happening, so they're mad. Okay. But this happens in a lot of other companies and a lot of other stocks. It happens in some of the bigger companies. It happens in Apple. It happens in Amazon. It happens on the SPY. I mean, it happens in all these companies. But for some reason, AMC is more intense because of how many times the synthetic shares been made and how many times the float been traded and all this other stuff, right? Like, things are not adding up. But this happens in a lot of big companies. So people are mad for, their own reasons. Some really like AMC because they go to the movie theaters and they know they're not making money right now. But some are just buying this dip because they feel like it may go up. I don't know. But anyway, AMC. I do think we can probably push up to 6. I will say maybe 630. Let's see. 610. It's very possible we can get back up here. Okay. Back up here. I would say definitely. Well, not definitely. I'm not gonna say definitely. I think we can push up to real close to 630. If it runs strong, if we have a nice buy-in, we can possibly see 645, maybe 650. Okay, but the way things are looking with AMC, I think there's gonna be more downside. I think it's gonna come down. See, it's testing that low. It's testing that $6 mark. It's testing the below the 6, the high 590. So it's like in that zone. Like, okay, are we gonna stay here? Are we gonna stay here? Then it probably go bloop and drip down. It's probably just gonna run down. Okay, so I think we're gonna come back down to that 598 area, test it again, and if we can't hold it, we're gonna come back down to below the 598. Okay, that's my price prediction for AMC. On the high end, like I said, max, I think we can maybe get up to 650, maybe, if it's a nice run. Okay, but I can see maybe 645, but max 650. All right, guys, I gotta go, and I'll see you in the market. Take care, peace.